$3.55. Coconut mocha. NARS creamy, radiant creamy concealer and amande. Go in with the carob color in the middle. This one. Do a little contour. You don't have to do this. It's supposed to be my natural look. It just depends on how polished I want it to look. Today I want a little smidge polished, so I'm gonna just go in a little bit. Brush that into the hairline a little bit. So I was on Tinder today, right? Just because I was bored and shit. You know, swiping or whatever. But what's interesting to me, guys, what makes me swipe left, if you have kids in your profile. It depends, like if you're really cute, I'll make sure that that's not your kid if it's in your bio, but most of the time I just swipe left. I don't waste my time. If you have blurry pictures, because come on, it's 2019. No one should have a blurry picture at this point. At the very least, you can have one of your friends take your pictures. Old pictures, I don't know. You might be in jail or something. Catfish. Yeah, I don't take my chances. So pictures with girls in it. I don't know why guys do this, or they think that that's cool or that works. It doesn't. Not for me. You, like, what's the purpose of that? You're on a dating app. Why would you have a picture of you and another girl? It makes no sense to me. I don't waste my time with those. Oh, the group pictures. You have all these group pictures. No. Especially if it's the first picture. I'm not wasting my time swiping through your profile. That's what some girls don't waste their time doing. I'm one of those girls. I'm sure y'all don't have any problem with getting matches. I'm sure it happens. Anyway, what was I saying? So if you're not getting the amount of swipes that you think that you should, or whatever, or the girl that you want to swipe right on you, it's not, evaluate your profile. What the fuck are you putting up? It might not be quality. This guy. So, kids, blurry pictures, pictures of you with girls, group pictures. If you have a picture of a cat or a dog, I'm not gonna swipe through your profile. I'm just gonna swipe left. I don't have time for that. I'm not the only girl that does that, so just FYI. This guy, Julia's Place. I'm gonna go in with this. Again, this is if you want like a more sharp, natural look. You can also use a regular, your foundation to clean up your brows. Middle person, set the concealer, so tap 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 just a little bit so there's no like creasing. I got the little trial size. Really love these though, natural, a little pizzazz, and I just put a little bit Just place it on the lid on the inner corner. I maybe go about like halfway to the lid, like so. And then I just tap it to move it, spread it out as to where I want it to be. And do the same on this side. It doesn't have to be super neat because you're just gonna go back in with the brush. I have very short and very fine lashes, so whenever I put on strip lashes, this gives it a good base. This Voluminous Base by L'Oreal. It's white. It's a primer. I use it for my bottom lashes, a little extra oomph. But you can already see how long they look with this primer. They're not like this normally. It's a Laura Mercier translucent. Kind of like melt everything together. I don't use a lot of it. I just a little bit, and I like to use a smaller brush because I feel like it gets in those crevices that I need to get into. Okay. Go over my contour to warm that up. With a brush and kind of spread it out as much as you want to. I'm gonna put that there. Put a little bit on the forehead here. Black Radiance, Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and Sexy Siren of some Moroccan Magic. Just on the outer corners, just so I have a little bit of a, maybe too dark. Okay, and to set, I have to put everything on. Pretty much the look. So